Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Dish, aka Beyond Unique, and we are back with another banger video for you guys today. And in today's video we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, but guess who we did it on today? Me! Of course. I have been braiding my hair since I was about 10 years old, and every time I do my hair, people always ask me, did you do all that yourself?
So yes, I'm going to show you guys that I actually do my hair myself, not just on other people. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my small knotless braids on my natural hair.
For the first time ever on video. So let's get straight into this video. Braiding hair, of course. You see, I got my little stand. I need some assistance to, We'll also be needing some red one aqua wax. Hope you guys can see that. Rat tail comb, scissors, a mirror. I need it to see the back of my head. I have a hand mirror, as well as I have a mirror right here in front of me. I'll also be needing maybe some ponytail holders, rubber bands, clips, clamps, whatever you want to use to section your hair off. I'm gonna go ahead and take down these braids and pre-part my hair in the sections that I want to make it easier for me. Without further ado, let's get started.
So what I like to do is I like to part my hair down the middle and then create subsections here, one side here, and in the back I do about 4 quadrants. So 2 quadrants in the front and 4 in the back. But I'm gonna start by parting down the middle of my head, like so. Red one aqua wax. I am going to go down the center of my head again. And now I am going to come from the middle of my scalp where I made my part, bring that part all the way down to my ear to make my first quadrant. So here's my first quadrant. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Hey Snap! That's what we're doing today. Per influencer things.
Guys, braiding your own hair is a lot of work. I'm doing these to my knees.
Two days later. Day 2. A few moments later. Eternity later. Three days later.
Hey y'all, so it is officially day 3 in days, like day and night, not in hours. Technically day 2 and 3, but literally day 3, technically day 3. And I have one more braid left. Guys. You would have liked it look better hair. I got one more braid left. These are some really small braids. But baby, I'm gonna keep these in for like 3 months. So when I'm done braiding my hair, and I'm done braiding everything together because I still have these ends to do, I will come back and show you guys the final result. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. But first, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to the Unique Gang. Love you guys. See you when we get the final results.